So hi, I'm recording today because I faced some issues with the Logitech G Hub software. I have two devices. One is Logitech G5 Hero and a keyboard. So after I got the latest update, my Logitech G Hub was completely unusable. It was loading infinitely. So to fix this, I had some previous files backup. So I'll be restoring from that. I'll be giving those files in the description. The version will be like 2024.8. okay, so this is my current version. I will upload these files. So these three files should be in your program files when you install the Logitech software. I mean Logitech G Hub. I'll be giving this on the description. Okay, so there will be the files. And before that, before we do anything, we'll discuss what the steps we need to take before we do our stuff to fix this issue. Okay, so first of all, you need to take the backup of your current settings. We'll do that in a few minutes. Before we do that, we'll go to the task manager and exit from every single running operations of Logitech G Hub. So there should be many. One would be in the processes, like Logitech update, something like that. Let me go ahead and show you real quick. This one. Okay, I have currently it in disabled mode. If you find one, you just go to the service, open services, and then if you find this like Logitech something, you click on that, properties, set it to manual, and then stop it. Okay, completely stop it. Or you can do one thing, you can do the startup or users. You will find the processes, you in that from here. Okay, so Logitech agents, everything related to Logitech, you in those G Hub, in those task, some Logitech more. This one, update services, is services running. I have it disabled. You may have this enabled on your side. So for now, you just stop everything. End it. Okay, so any Logitech processes are stopped now. So go to your so now we will back up the data. Okay, go to your local disk, under user. You'll find your username, go to that. My name is Virgin, so my PC's name is Virgin. I'll go there, and there should be a file, hidden file called app data. If it's not visible, you can go to view and then check the hidden files, hidden items. It will enable the vision for hidden items. Go in that app data, you'll find local. Under local folder, you will find LGHUB. Go in this. This is your user data. You can back it up like this. I have already backed up in my I have already backed it up. So you should be under the folder. You back it up and restore after the process we are doing. Okay, so now go to program files, programs, local file, program files. You'll find these three files. This is the software of Logitech. So currently you have closed all the processes, so this file should be overwritable. And go on the file that I have provided. It should be okay, let me go with you guys. So these are the files you should be unextracting, and go in this, select all, copy, and then paste on your my mistake, right. Copy on your program files LGHUB file. Okay, and when you do that, it will say replace. Will replace all, and then replace everything. Continue. Try again. If it's not replacing it, you go to task manager Again, see what processes are running for Logitech. Windows startup, Windows, it's enabled high, I don't know why, bro. Okay, this process is disabled. Is anything running for Logitech? I don't know. Okay, let's go on this. This is the update services. We need to end this in process. Okay, any other processes running? No, maybe no. Let's continue. So try again. Okay, should be able to do this after like ending all the process. If you're running into a problem, don't close it. We have replaced everything, and these two optionals, I don't think I need to replace this, but you can do it. Let's do it together. Okay. Back to the folder, these two files, copy, go to your program files, replace them. Should be replaced. Okay, all the files are replaced now. Let's close everything. So if you have already installed it, there should be a shortcut. Sorry for my desktop view, it's ugly. So if you want to open this software right now, go to the program files, go to LGHUB, go to the system tray. Okay, under system tray file folder, you will find IGHUB system underscore tray. Go and open that. This is the application that you need to start. Okay, let's see if it starts or no. So you can ping it on shortcut. Yeah, after that it will open like this. Okay, so I'll provide the files on the description on a Google Drive link. You'll go ahead and download those. It's a RAR file, it's safe, you can download that. Okay, let me know if it works for you, or I'll find something that will may work. Okay, have a nice day.